Hi everyone, we're going to show you how to log in to Clever to access a student's Myon account from home. So notice that we have a student already logged into Chrome. We go to clever.com, log in as a student. Now I need to search for my school, so I start typing. In this case we're going to do Lincoln Elementary, so go Lincoln School. Make sure we choose Lincoln School Exeter Unified. Now we notice here it changes to Exeter Unified School District. Log in with Google. We're logging into Clever. Myon is here, so I click on Myon and we are into the student's Myon account. There is a second way to do this, so I'm going to log student out of Clever. You can go to the Google Chrome store, search for Clever, okay, and you get the Clever extension. Now notice it says it's in green here because this has already been added to the student's Chrome account. If this is in blue, I would simply click the blue, add to Chrome. It's going to look like the little blue C up here. I click on that. This now will direct me directly into Exeter Unified School District. Log in with Google. Again, the student's Clever portal opens up, and then from there we can go into Myon.